One of the things that Stewart says is to know your vision. And after an unexpected surgical procedure, I'm down now almost 6 weeks, not doing well. And my body's been broken for a long time and I'm unemployable. And so I have to have an online business because I have no choice. So my vision is, gosh, I don't even know why I'm on camera right now. I had to cancel 4 different weddings last weekend, this weekend, and the one next weekend I'm contemplating canceling because my body is not doing well. And it's really stressful to cancel as a minister for people's weddings because they're counting on you and it's a deadline that lots of money has gone into. It's been very stressful. And my vision of the online business is to make money without being there so I don't have to live up to these commitments that my body sometimes can't keep. And that's my vision. But it's my family too. It's that the health that I do have, the stamina that this body has, I want to be able to devote to making memories with my wife and my kids and to driving down to Tucson to see my parents, not to working and then being down because I got to recover from having worked. I just want to be better. At least I know that I'm on the right path. Know your vision. I am building this online business because I'm unemployable. And whether that means I don't like being told what to do or my body physically can't work for somebody else, I am motivated to make it work because I don't have a choice. That's my vision. And my vision is my kids. I'm not going to miss their childhood. The time is right now. Ages 10, 9, and 6, almost 10. Man, they're growing up so fast and I'm missing it. And I'm not missing it. I'm building the path toward being there for everything. That's my vision and that's why I'm doing this. God dang, man. I don't know why I put stuff like this on camera. It's bizarre.